Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel Goldas Films and this Vignesh. You guys already know that this video is all gonna be about the delivery of a new car. So we are here at Cropex. The time is 4:20 now and I was supposed to be here a little early but unfortunately it did not happen. Another 5-10 minutes we'll be able to get our vehicle out here. How do you feel about our new car? Our
Feeling
first car?
excited, so should see how it's going to be.
The last video that we posted got a good response in a matter of 2 days. If you haven't watched it, it's about the PDI. Please do go check it out. I'll leave the link in the I button here above. We upgraded to the car for Yashuma because it's really difficult to take her around, and with the current situation with COVID and all that, it's very risky to go around on the bike. So we thought, okay, it's time to get a car so that the safety is what matters to us at this point of time.
So Yashu will be on more road trips
Going
hereafter.
forward, yes. Are you excited, Chinni? Yes. Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay, she's very camera shy. Here is our new car. Chinni, you like it? What is it? Car. We're done with the delivery and we are here in the temple for the puja, which is something that is mandatory and has to be done. Finally home with the new car. Cropex was kind enough to give this small hamper while delivering the car. So let's quickly dive in and see what is there. Let's unbox the small package that we have. First thing is obviously the documents of the vehicle, owner's manual, which comes with the car. Cropex has actually given us some goodies here, so let's see what these things are. Firstly, there is a small document organizer. Thank you, Cropex. Oh, nice. There are some chocolates. And there's another tiny box. Alright, here comes a small Ganesha idol. Thank you, Cropex. I actually wanted to buy one, but thanks for giving it to me. This is gonna sit right there. I'm gonna put this a little later. Definitely will add some good vibe to the car. Finally comes these two small boxes. So I am thinking that these will be the keyrings. And yes, I'm right. So two small keyrings. There you go. Thank you, Cropex, for this kind gesture. I really like the goodies that you have given. So now coming to the topic of why did I choose Tata Tiago. So I would like to highlight three major points, which made me consider to buy this particular car. First thing would be the safety. Tata is doing really great when it comes to safety, so you guys will already know about the NCAP ratings that each and every car Tata manufacturer is being rated at. Tata Tiago, which is rated 4-star, is definitely a good thing, compared to the other cars in the market in the same segment. So that is one of the biggest reason as to why I chose Tata Tiago. Now coming to the second point, which would be the budget. So basically this car, which is the one less than the top model, which is XZ Plus. So this one is the XZ variant, which costed me 6.9 lakhs on road in Bangalore. I'm sure in other cities it might cost you a little cheap. Why? Because the road tax is little lesser compared to Bangalore. That was well under my budget, which I had planned. Now, coming to the third and the last point, which is value for money. This car is actually loaded with good amount of features. You would have to spend a little more when it comes to other brands, and you get a lot of things like there is a 7-inch touchscreen display, and you have steering mounted controls for all the audio and all that, and again you get a flat bottom steering. And to talk about the things that are going to be very useful for me at least would be the height adjustable driver seat, the rear wiper and the defogger, which is very very important when you drive in very rainy conditions or when it is super cold. This particular car with this price range had most of the things that I was looking out for, and hence why I chose Tata Tiago. A lot of other videos which will tell you more about the specs of the car and all that, so I'm not gonna touch upon that because I'm not so good at it. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. If you like the content, make sure you hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you all in the next video. Until then, bye bye, take care.